www.worldofitech.com. In this tutorial you will learn about how does freelancing work? Freelancers accept payment in return for offering some sort of service. That agreement is commonly part-time or short time period. For instance, if I hired a photographer to take new headshots for me, I could pay a freelancer for that session and that could be the end of it. Sometimes people pay freelancers to work a set number of hours per week or per month. That arrangement is often referred to as a retainer. A retainer refers to when you retain the services or right to a person's time. A lot of legal professionals work on retainer. Every month, they bill a set amount of time to the client, regardless of whether or not that full time is used or not. It's really one of the handiest and most pure forms of entrepreneurship. The freelancer provides a specific service or outcome, and the buyer pays them a price without delay. Freelancers commonly work on a per-project basis. For instance, they could take on a certain number of projects every month and charge either by the project or the amount of time it takes them to finish it, i.e. an hourly or even everyday rate. Freelancers set their personal hours and work on time limits. For example, they may get 4 assignments from a client at the beginning of the month, with deadlines scattered throughout the month. Freelancers can work from any location at any hour, and they may even freelance for extra income on the side of a full-time job. The freelance process generally is going as follows. The freelancer reaches out to clients, vice versa for feasible contract work. The freelancer tackles projects at a set price, per project, per hour, etc. The client pays the freelancer for work. Taxes are not taken out of paycheck. Freelancers should pay quarterly taxes. A career in freelancing offers flexibility and a chance to your abilities for a charge which you set. If a client refuses to compensate you in your worth, you can simply reject their offer and move on to another client. This is about the how does freelancing work. And I really hope that you have learned something from this tutorial. And if you like this tutorial, then give a thumbs up. And if you don't like it, then give a thumbs down. And also share your opinion about this tutorial. What do you think about it? And if you think that this tutorial will help some of your friends, then do share this tutorial with them. And also you can subscribe to our channel. If you want to watch more tutorials like this, and if you subscribe to our channel, then press the bell icon to get new tutorial updates. Feel free to leave us your suggestions in the comment section below. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in next tutorial.